So today we're doing a folio shoot, and that works just exactly the same as if we were working for a client for a paid shoot. So we start off with a brief, and today our brief is going off some shots that we've done in the past with Andre and I, and they were really quite dark and moody. We love the composition of them. There's some overhead, some use of hands, but we just want to do some nice light and bright ones today. Before any shooting begins, we need to gather props. These are crucial to creating your images. They get packed up in bubble wrap, put into boxes, then couriered to the studio along with any background. It's then time to unpack them, laying them out onto tables. Unpacking them, I generally try to place them in groups according to the prop hire place that I borrow them from. Once the props are neatly laid out, I then arrange my tools. So today I don't have a photo chef, it's me today too, so I'm in charge of the food. I'm just unpacking it and popping everything into the fridge. Our background for today is going to be a marble background, but on top of that, we're going to keep it really nice and neutral and white. So lots of beige, white, a little bit of grey, but our food is going to be the hero today, not the props as such. So the props are just going to be the vessels that hold our beautiful produce.